Hey guys, welcome to Damion and Quanda, the D&Q experience. So finally, the day is finally here when I should be getting this house tour done for you guys. I know it's been over a year. It's been like a year and a half right now. Who's knocking at the door? Hold on, guys. How did y'all get here? I was just talking to y'all. Anyways. Okay, guys. You came unannounced, first of all, but that's okay. Welcome, guys. Welcome. So, since you're now here with me, let's go ahead and get the house tour done. It's finally the video that you guys have been waiting for. Maybe you haven't been waiting for it, but I've been waiting to record it. And what have I been waiting on? In all honesty, in transparency, I have been waiting on this house to be perfectly, is that a word? Perfectly, that's not better. Perfectly cleaned and spotless from head to toe. But guess what, guys? 7 of us live here. 2 of us work from home. 2 of us did schooling from home. It's just 2 of us, not me. But it's just not possible to have a perfectly clean house long enough to have a perfectly clean house tour. So guess what? We're gonna have a real life house tour. So ain't no fancy smancy decorations and ain't no fancy smancy cleaner came here and did anything. This is how we live on a day-to-day basis. Judge your mama. But guys, I wanted to get this video done. It's been over a year. So let's just go ahead and jump right into the video. So, as you guys just came in the front door because y'all came to my house unannounced, this is the living room. As you can see over here, we have our turtles. This is Carson and KJ's turtles. Look, they're coming to say hi. And then we have a nice big window over here. And then coming back by the turtles is the TV with our IKEA stand that Damion and my father installed and would I help? I don't remember if I helped or not, but they installed it, so you cannot lean on it. Daddy, I helped? Yeah. Okay, cool. We have our couch set. This couch was from City Furniture, Kevin Charles. And then over here we have another couch. This is also, it's a set, but this is a sofa bed. So if anybody needs a place to stay, don't call me. I'm kidding. Right here is our wall of family and friends done by Damion. I helped to put up this, barely, and he did everything else, guys. So that is Damion. That's why I said it was done by Damion, not me. Coming over here, we're gonna go this way first. So this is the hallway. If you guys remember, these were the 2 rooms that was done first. Right here is the boys and Damien's mom's room. We're gonna go check this out quickly. So the room is split in half. On this half, the boys didn't make their bed up. They didn't make their bed up. But they have a bunk bed here, and then their dresser is over here. The dresser, you know what? I told y'all, real life. This is their half of the room. So you have the dresser and the bunk bed, and then Damien's mom's bed is on the other side of the room. So everything does fit with space. Right here is my mother and father's room. However, due to privacy reasons, You would not be entering in there, just like we did not look at Damion's mom's half of the room. This is their room, but my mom is in there hanging out, and we're not going to disturb her. Yeah, we're not going to disturb her. And so right here would be the bathroom. This is the bathroom, the way it looked. It's my toothbrush fell. This is the way it looked when we moved in. So it's the same bathroom as the other house tour, but they have their line of racks at the top. It's gonna be a fail. Same linen closet as before. Nothing fancy in there. So we figured out what to do with this section of the house right here, which is a built-in that the previous owners had. I don't know if it came with them or not, but we ended up putting some video games at the bottom, some movies, picture, and an old pumpkin, and some lovely inspirational words, and then a photo of grandma and grandkids. Coming back out. Here's the dining room now. So over here is the dining room table. This table was actually purchased off of Facebook Marketplace, and it was a gray table. It was a brown table, and we painted it white, and also got blue cushions done on this table, so we can have a blue and white dining room set. Our photo on the wall was an impulse buy, and it came from Ross. It was a great buy. And then the balloons for the boy's birthday. And then over here we have another online offer. Well, this one came from OfferUp, I think. Yeah, this came from OfferUp from a house. I think it was like a stage house, and they sold this to us for the low. Y'all need to get in them stage house sales. And then we have another photo frame of family is always and forever. Got a few of our family and friends, a few that is no longer with us, but some that are. And then some pictures are up here of everyone. And we have our Google, what is this called? Google machine, Google something. Google Home, there we go. That's there. It also plays as a picture frame. I won this at work on one of our Christmas dinners. This was a winning for me. That's it? Yeah, that's it. So then coming over, this is my first plant that I ever purchased in my life. It's a peace lily that's dying, but I purchased it all by myself. I don't know how to take care of it, but it's here and it looks cute in this little corner. Some picture frames my mom bought from the store. I'm not gonna say which store. And then this lovely sign that I got from Hobby Lobby a long time ago. Literally a year ago. Bought it in July. Yeah, of last year. The kitchen is still the same as it was in the last video. Don't know if it was painted. Didn't check before recording, but if not, it's now painted blue. It's now painted gray. Everything else remained the same. I learned how to put pictures on the TV. I learned how to put pictures on this thingy, the refrigerator. So yeah, that's our little slideshows. You may think that we're like obsessed with ourselves with all these pictures around the house, but I don't like taking pictures. And so all the pictures you see around the house are pictures from back in the day. Not now. Now we're gonna go into Damion's section, which I shouldn't even be talking about because it's literally your section, so you should be doing it. He said no. All right, so coming on down. Over here we have the bar area. This is where Damion likes to get all his drinks. Empty, empty, empty. We're not gonna talk about that. We recently just bought this and had nowhere else to put it. This is a record player, and this is my mom's record from back in the day. The Gospel Blitz Prayer was her group, so we just have it there. I was playing it yesterday, so that's why it's out, but it should be going back into its case after this video. record players from Walmart, guys. So cool. And then we have a fridge down here. We have nothing in it. We have Damion's television that he had to buy. Can you get us in it? That's his TV. And the stand that Damion and his brother built together, right? Save some coins, I guess. And then coming over here to this way, this is the computer that Damion built as well. We have Damion's couch that he picked out. And I'm saying like that because I wanted a different couch, but he picked this one on the floor. And then coming over to this side, this area is, originally it was supposed to be the kids' school area where I was supposed to get a desk, and it was going to be where they do their schoolwork. Well, actually Carson, because KJ was over there. But it's now turned into the toy section where toys need to go either to...
This is where toys go to die.
This is where toys go to die, but it needs to go out the house to like Goodwill or wherever, but it needs to get out of here. But either way, this is the toy section. And as you see, I have like a little bookshelf here that I thought was cute. So this is full of books that they cannot get to because of all the toys. We're gonna figure that out one of these days. And then in this store is our laundry. Checking for dirty clothes. Okay, this is the laundry room. Yep, so we have a washer dryer, and then we have everybody's hampers in there. And then if you go over here, that door will lead you to the backyard, which we're not gonna go to right now because it's a little dark and the frogs come out at night. The frogs come out at night. Oh, the frogs come out at night. Okay. And now we are entering our bedroom. The bed is from Wayfair. Mattress is from City Furniture. Side tables were from Amazon, if I'm not mistaken. And our lamps were from Ross. Here is the bathroom in its final stage. We've ended up going with a completely white bathroom with gray walls and blue accents throughout the bathroom. I think it came out pretty good. And here is a closet that we cut out. The built-in, I don't even know what it's called, but the built-in was from IKEA. Damion and I actually put this together ourselves. It took a while. And these shoe cubbies were also from IKEA, which is a good thing to have, but we don't really use it, if you couldn't tell by the last clip of the room. And finally, here is the final product of the office. On this side is Damion's side. And it's not a workout side anymore, it's now his actual working space. He collects ships from all ships that we go on with our cruise vacation, so that's his collection. And then this is my side. The right side is for my crafting. And the left side is for my actual 9 to 5.